Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this video we will be seeing about the Jupiter transit which is going to take place on November 20th 2021. Jupiter moves from Capricorn to Aquarius and it stays there for about 145 days, maximum 5 months. Then it moves away from Aquarius to Pisces during 13th of April 2022. We will be seeing based on the Jupiter's position as well as the places it aspects as well as position of Rahu Ketu and Saturn for each and every zodiac sign, what are the probable benefits a person could get during this period. If you are new to this channel, keep this channel subscribed so that you will get my instant updates whenever I release it. On 20th of November 2021, during the transit, you could see the planetary position being displayed here, where the star is Rohini, and in Taurus you could see there is a conjunction of planets Rahu and Moon there, and in the Libra you could see Mercury is along with Mars, and in Scorpio Ketu is along with Sun, and in Sagittarius you could see Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn being a ruler. Aquarius you could see Jupiter there. That is, Jupiter has moved on that particular time, that is around 11:30 p.m. on that same day from Capricorn to Aquarius. On 13th of April 2022, it is Pushya star where Moon is at Leo, and at Libra you could see Ketu there, and at Aries there is a conjunction of planet between Rahu and Mercury. I could see Saturn being ruler at Capricorn, and at Aquarius you could see Mars is there along with Venus, and Jupiter had moved on that particular day to Pisces. That is, you could see in Pisces Jupiter is along with Sun. So this is the planetary position once the Jupiter gets transit from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. So, in Aquarius, Jupiter stays only for 145 days hardly. Now we will be seeing for each and every zodiac sign what is the impact based on the Jupiter's position and the places it aspects. Leo, the fifth zodiac sign. For Leo, the upcoming Jupiter transit seems to be highly favorable as Jupiter moves away from 6th house to 7th house. So the position of Jupiter seems to be good, as Jupiter will start aspecting the 11th house, the zodiac sign directly, and the 3rd house. So we can expect a lot of good profit during this period, and their hard work will turn out to be more successful. So far, whatever the problems they may be facing, it will get rid of, and those who are suffering from diseases, they will get cured during this period. So the position of Jupiter seems to be very good, and it aspects the zodiac sign, so it will give more strength to the particular zodiac sign. Those who are not married for very long, this is the right time to get married, and they will get suitable alliances and get settled in their life quickly. At the same time, those who are in the business, there are chances their partners will support them in a very good way, and they can expand the business and they can improve the business also. So it seems to be highly good for those who are having good friends and good friend circle. They can expand their all fortunes during this time. Some of them, their younger sisters and brothers as well as elder sisters and brothers will definitely support them. So they will get good advantages during this particular time. Jupiter aspecting the 11th house, so there are chances for many of them may go abroad, and the chances they can get some good income also. Some may get promoted and get transferred into different countries or different even zones also. So this will help them to get a good income during this period. So Jupiter aspecting the zodiac sign, it will improve the strength of the person. The mental power will get increased, and they will have a good stamina, and they can work in a very positive manner. So far they have been struggling a lot as the Jupiter is the 6th house, and there may not be support from the children as well as the other people. So this time this is very good. They can get a good support from the life partners as well as their business partners also. Those who are separated for long, they will get united this time. and those who are having problems in their married life, it gets sorted out soon in this particular time. So the position and the places aspected by the Jupiter seems to be highly favorable for them. But if you see the negative aspects, in the 6th house, Saturn is now more powerful, and due to which some may lend money, but it will not come to them in time. And even if they try to borrow money, people may avoid giving money to them. So this may be the problem they may face during this particular period. Now Saturn aspecting the 8th house, so they may have good luck during this time. Some may visit some different places. Some may even visit temples or other sacred places, and they can enjoy their life. Some may get some lucky times also. Now Saturn aspecting the 12th house seems to be good for them, because the negative planets aspecting the negative house seems to be positive for them. So they'll have a very sound sleep during this time, and their expenses also will be more positive for them. So they may spend their money for good causes, like for charity or for the children's education or for marriages. All these things can happen. Now Saturn aspecting on the 3rd house, sometimes they may feel very much lazy, because Saturn aspecting the 3rd time it will 3rd house. Saturn aspecting the 3rd house, that will make them lazy. They'll not put their efforts 100%. Now those who are jobless is the right time, because the 10th house now Rahu becomes more active. So it will give both the positive and negative effects, because so far Rahu was controlled by Jupiter. Now Jupiter moves away from Capricorn to Aquarius. Now it will so the Rahu will not have the control by the Jupiter. So it will become more negative planets. So at the 10th house, it will also give good job opportunities for those who are jobless. The chances they may enter into IT field. Some may get employments in government organizations also. And those who are looking for their good support in film industries or other fine arts, chances they'll get opportunity to enter into the film arts or other film institutes, and they will get a good career in the film industry also. So these are some of the areas where this particular zodiac sign they will shine. So this is the right time for them. Some of them may go abroad for job opportunities, some may go abroad for studies or business. So Rahu at the 10th house will give some of the positivity, but on the negative side, if the person is not having a proper Mahadasa and Antardasa running, so they will have problems in their job place, they will have tough time with the seniors, and they will have some negative impacts. Some may lose their job also. So these are some of the failures of the 10th house. So 10th house, it will have both positive and negative effects, depends upon the individual horoscope. So considering all the planetary positions and the places where Jupiter is aspecting, we can say for Leo, this particular Jupiter transit can bring them 90% positivity.